Good morning, guys. This is Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Friday, and yeah, the market, I can't say the market is not really moving nice, or maybe it's moving bad. Actually, I can't complain. The market is just doing its thing. So, as it's Friday, we have a core PCE. I think this is gonna move the market very nice. Before the market opens, we also have GDP from Canada. Then we'll actually track that and see if maybe there is something that is going to happen. So we'll be closing the week actually. So, but before we close the week, guys, I still repeat, please just know that we still have that $27 lifetime VIP signals, which is actually limited. Just check this. You will see that you're not supposed to miss this. Actually, that $27 is supposed to be for 3 months, but we're going to give you a lifetime. But once we're done, these prices are going to go back to normal. And for those who actually will be joining, just let me know, scan that QR code, and then you can still, you can actually be part of the team. So I think something is happening in Japan. I see every JPY pair like aggressively going lower. Unfortunately, I did not really send this signal, but it seems like the market is trying to reverse. Maybe I will be jumping straight to that. But yeah, we are coming from a very proper uptrend. You can see the market was aggressively going higher, and then after that, it's where we see, or it's where we got this breakout. So now we expect the market to continue going even lower. I hope that makes sense. So that's what we have on USD JPY. The market is still on this nice downtrend structure. So yeah, I'm expecting to see a proper a melt here, as we expect to see that continuation. But unfortunately, I missed this. So if maybe it tries to bounce back, I think I will have to jump straight to that, and I will actually send that signal. So as you know, we start with dollar index, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, share with your friends, share with your friends, né? So what's really happening? And we can easily see that no, man, the market is actually coming from this nice uptrend. Things were still high when the rates were still actually higher, and now we expect the rates cuts to continue, and we can easily see that even though the market is actually consolidating around this level, there's nothing much. We don't really expect any sort of reversal. Even on a daily time frame, you can see. So I'm expecting to see a continuation of the sell as we are on this nice downtrend. I think we don't really have proper a trend line that we can use at the moment. Let me try to use this. I don't think this will be a perfect one. So, but what we know is one way or another, the market will keep going lower. At the moment, the market is still doing its thing here, and I'm still expecting to see a breakout. Maybe it will happen once we have PCE, then maybe we'll see that continuation. This will make other pairs to perform very well, other pairs which are going against the dollar. But if PCE is going to be positive, I think we will see the market going a little bit higher. And I don't think maybe the market will go even higher than that. I think maybe if it goes up, we'll get this resistance, and that might also push the market to go even lower. So we have to be extra careful before those actually news. So Gbpusd, a very nice structure. I hope you can see that, a very proper uptrend structure. The market is still actually pushing to the upside, but we reached a level that we can actually call a very nice support, a resistant area. So you can see that we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 days respecting this level. That is a proper resistance. So it means that for us to buy, we have to wait for the market to reverse before we buy, or maybe the market will break out here, then we can look for that a nice bullish position after that. But for now, we just need to relax, right? So on gold, what's really happening on gold? You can see that the market is still actually flying. This is not really sustainable, even though things are in favor of gold. But I think one way or another, maybe we might have that reversal to this point, or maybe to this point, before we see another aggressive push. I think maybe if yesterday, if Israel accepted the ceasefire that other countries did put together, I think maybe we're going to see a reversal. You see, if you follow Middle East tensions, so I think if that was going to be in place, we were going to see gold trying to reverse, because at the moment, just because we have these tensions, we know that the dollar or the Federal Reserve on US side, they're going to cut the rates, and that means that the dollar is going to be a little bit weaker. You see, and it seems like things are not going to look very nice here. So we just have to follow the news and see what's really happening, because at the end of the day, gold is still very bullish according to the fundamentals, but only one event or geopolitical update, it might send gold actually way too lower, you see. So, but at the moment, we just need to relax and see. So let's go on 4 hours time frame and try to understand the structure. I think the market has been going up very nice. You can see that. So it's creating this smaller resistance area. Sometimes it's difficult to know which one it's a proper resistance. So this means that gold is actually aggressive. If you see this type of moves, because at the end of the day, just consolidate, push up, consolidate. So it means we will get those nice push. And mostly if you miss this, it's not going to be easier for you to jump in, you see, because sometimes the market won't even reach this support area before going up. It will just consolidate. When you think the market is going to go lower, it keeps going up. Consolidate, goes up, you see. And this is what we are experiencing at the moment. So yes, we need, or we want to see a proper reversal. But since gold is it's stronger, I don't think that will happen quite easy. It might happen, but not really any time, you see. So I think a breakout here is going to help us jump on the market again. We were smashing this after a breakout from this level, then the market reversed again, but already we were actually eating very nice. So let's push to the next one. On a daily time frame, maybe we will see this properly. On US30, we are on US30. US30 is also struggling to break that resistance that we have there, but the overall structure, we can easily see that we are on this nice push to the upside. Do you see that? So I'm expecting to see that continuation, but not so fast, because if we check nicely, I place this notification so that I don't really miss once the market breaks out. We can check this nicely. We have, this is daily time frame, so you can see it's 1 2 3 4 5 6. Today is the 7th day, so the market has been playing or struggling to break this area. So that should tell you something, that actually this is a very stronger area. But once the market breaks out of that, yes, we can jump on that nice buy. Or maybe the market might try to reverse a little bit. That will be fine, and then we can jump on that buy once the market is here. But it seems like the market is not willing to go lower, which is good, and that will be which is good, because it shows us that the bullish momentum is still very strong around these levels. So we are looking for those buy around, let's say, above this area, above that area, if the market breaks out, or maybe if the market goes lower. If the market goes down, we will be waiting for a buy around this level, or maybe above that. I hope this makes sense. Guys. Don't miss our special. And I think with this one, is gonna just go, once we done. So we have $27 special, which you join our team for a lifetime. So which means you pay once and you just get unlimited signals, and we get like 2 to 6 signals per day. But on that, because there's people who ask me about how many signals do you send, guys. So that actually depend on the opportunities that the market presents to us. So I can't just say 10 signals. What if there is no any good opportunity? Should I just jump on the market? No. I hope you understand that. So it's up to the market how many trades are we going to get that day. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, $24, talk to me, and you can just talk to me, scan that QR code, just pause the video. You can see that $27 is actually for 3 months, but we're giving you once of payment, then you're done. So on Nasdaq, guys, we are still actually on a bullish structure. We are coming from this aggressive move here, which it was going down, but now we expect the market to continue going higher. Do you see that? I hope it makes sense to everyone. So where we are, you can see we had a nice buy here. I think yesterday we had a buy pending order, but I think the market reversed. So to this I did earlier because I saw the market was reversing. So it was in a smaller profit, but the market reversed. But at the end of the day, I'm expecting to have a very nice push for that resistance. Do you see that resistance? Up to this point, because we have a buy around this level, so I'm expecting it to reach this point there. Do you see that? As we are on this nice bullish move and we are coming from this support area, so obviously you can see that the market might play around that level, so which means we can get more than one opportunities as the market is still continuing to go to the upside. So let's push to the next one. Okay, this one is let's see, on a daily time frame, US oil. We smashed this, but the market has been just playing around too much. Colors are not colors, they can also change the way you see the market, guys. So I don't really like using red on my charts because like red, it's associated with like sort of danger or something. So mostly I don't really like to use that much. So when you trade, it makes like I don't really have this panic because I don't really see much of red colors and stuff. Once you go on open your MetaTraders, you just see red colors, automatically will just start to panic, or that actually changes your mood. But even if you change those colors, maybe let's say you make them green, even if you are on negative, you're not going to feel the same way as a red color. So you can change that. It's psychology, by the way, for those who don't really understand that. So try to play around with stuff that is not going to push you to act in a different way. So this will actually give you a time to breathe. If you're holding some trades, you can hold your trades for quite long and relax. If that blue color makes you to go crazy, once you see some profits, change it, make it something like yellow, and even if it's profit, you're not gonna panic and say, oh, maybe I need to close. You can just relax and you can hold it until maybe you touch the profit, or even maybe closer, or maybe the market can even continue. But that is some other things that maybe along the way we will talk about, because those are like psychology, how we see things, how we react when we see things, right? So yeah, that's why even robots or traffic lights, they use red, yellow, green, and stuff like that. They know red seems to be like stop, danger, or something like that. And just investigate about that, why they use red color on everything, like stop signs, danger, whatever. So I hope maybe you understand that, because all those things, they might be affecting you and you are not even aware. You just say, oh, I need to have the strategy, yeah, but you also need to understand this. I think maybe it's psychology of money. I think they also talk about stuff like this. But anyways, you just need to read some few books that maybe might also help. But just because maybe you'll start to know these different colors and stuff doesn't really mean tomorrow it will just start to be profitable, but it will help. I think that's what I'm trying to say. So on US oil, we can easily see that the market is still on this nice downtrend structure. It's struggling to go lower. So which means maybe we'll have another opportunity. If it pushes up to this point, maybe we'll have a proper sell. But the overall structure, I am expecting to see some very nice moves here. I mean, I'm expecting to see a continuation of this downtrend structure. I hope that it's enough, guys. We don't really have to make this very long. If you're learning, if you feel like maybe I should be pushing out these videos, please smash that subscribe button. Even though you don't, even if maybe you don't really want to watch my videos every day, just smash that subscribe button. It helps with the algorithm, so other people, they can actually get my videos. So thank you very much. Don't forget that you can still join our team for $27 lifetime. So anyways, thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.